So we're gonna have to tackle it from this side. That trailer, all that's gonna come off. So we don't wanna do that, so. All right, I think that's my fifth wheel in. Yes, I'm able to get to it. I'm underneath of the trailer, but look how far down. Can we do that? If we crash with that, all that will come off, and that could be serious stuff. Over there. Yeah, got a trailer there to pick up now, so let's do that. Yes, man. So, welcome back to another YouTube video. We just drove all the way from there in the dirt, and the truck is absolutely minging. It was dirty, boy. It's gonna need another clean up. Been given a job for today because I didn't have anything in container. I got asked if I could do a job. I say yes because I didn't have anything to do. It's Friday, but that truck needs to keep moving. So right now I got a trailer to come out of this place, and it's a kind of tricky one because one of the trailer that is in front is jacked up, so I won't be able to get underneath of it normally as you do. Oh, this is the two trailer there. That one at the front is not the one going, it's the one right at the back. Oh, the little problem that I have right now, I'll show you. That one's jacked up. That one can be moved back or forward. That tire is lift up, as you can see there. So I need to come up with a plan of how to get that out of there. So I either go sideways like that, or I go in there like that. It's gonna be a lot of up and down the truck. When I come out of that, I'm gonna have to like pull the trailer like right this way and spin the tires. I don't think there's anything on this side of the trailer. It's going to be difficult for me to get it out, other than, yeah, a little bit of the tree's going to get knocked off or something, but that won't be a problem. That fence, I was worried about that when I was driving back here, but it's not a problem. Get underneath for this trailer and get out of here. So yeah, let's do that. It's not looking too bad. Clean and give it a little thingy yesterday, but the clean. Should we get in there and go and get that trailer right now? Let's do that right now. All right, let's go and come up with a plan now on how to get that trailer out of there, which is going to be sideways, but it's going to be a little bit more difficult than normal. So, all right, so we're going to have to tackle it from this side to be able to get underneath of it. But when we come in out, we're going to have to jackknife as much as we want, because if the side of the trailer collides or crashes with that trailer, all that's going to come off. So we're going to have to reverse in that way. Let's see, a little bit of planning. Yeah, reverse that way and then just have it so we can push it this way, because if the side of the trailer like we crash with that, all that will come off, and that could be serious stuff. So try not to do that. Let's try to do it right, isn't it? First time in, first time out. Gonna put it as slow as I can. How low does it go? Yeah, the trail is quite high, which is a good thing. Oh, there you go, that was a big drop. I just need to make contact with that pin. All right, I think that's my fifth wheel in. All right, that's on line with that, but look how off that is. I'm underneath of the trailer, but look how off I am. So, all right, let me see from the other side. Might get a better idea. All right, so I basically need to be aiming for this. So a little bit this way, a bit more. Yeah, can be doable. Let's do that. All right, I think that should do that. How far down are we there? It's all about planning this. Oh my God, that should do there. Woo! Let's raise it up. The only problem that I have is that when I come back, it can tip over a bit as well. So we don't want to do that. So I'm gonna put a little bit more down so the legs are not raised. So I got a little bit to play with. So just a tiny bit down. I know for a fact that we can hit the pin. So Oh! Alright, now that I got that, before I got underneath, I want to make sure 100% because I'll be able there. That pin is in there, you know what I mean? For the brake, all I need is my rear line. So all I need for now is this one. Oh yes. So all right, I'll leave the rear line on, and then what I'm gonna do, oh Jesus, and then what I'm gonna do with that is I take the brakes off when I rejiggle this. It's all about planning this and positioning. Oh, all right, tiny pause, just tiny pause because the legs stay all down, and then just put the legs up now, because that is one of the things we don't want to do. We don't want to break the legs. All right, this trailer moved. All right, one thing, yes, I'm able to get to it. I put this pin just for security. All right, it's time to spin it. We are hitting that. Can we do that? I think we can. Go on, go on. Go on. Woo! Woo! That is what I call planning. That is what I call some planning there. All right. Woo! Okay, let's go and do all the checks properly now. Let's go and do all the checks, man. All right, all checks done. Put one of the things down. And I'm gonna do that pole test again, just to make sure. All right, first of all, then the lights. There. All right. Yeah, it's working. Want to check that one as well. So, legs up. Uh-oh, that's not good. All right. There's a little problem there. I think I got a solution for that. A bunch of zip ties. They come so handy, honestly. Okay. Let's see. What we want to do here is we want to keep that number plate. We don't want to lose it. So we just put it tight, make it tight. So this is the problem here, this bouncing back. So if we keep that there, if we keep that holding down like that, for everything is a solution in this game. All right. All right, being an operator, you have to come with plans to do all that. All right, that's visible. Lights are working, everything is working. Do that last pull test. Give it another pull here before we do that. All right, okay, let's try the pull. That's one. All right, that's two. Slide it a bit. The only reason why I slide it a bit is because of the ground. But I'm more than happy to say that trail is good to go. I go and double check the lights again just in case. But I'm more than happy. All the side markers are working on this side. I'm gonna go and do the rest of the checks and make sure everything's fine, and then I'll be back. All right. I think, well, I don't think, I know we're good to go. Level that up. Guys, it's time to get out of here. All right. All that, leave that one and that one for my flashies. Okay, I'm ready to go. Wow, that is freshly done. We don't want to be like driving over that, because otherwise it doesn't look good. That's good. All right, happy days, happy freaking days. All lights are working, everything is fine. All we gotta do now is get out of here in one piece. So yeah, go through, pal. All right, let's get out of here. Busy place, this place. Oh, we got this guy. No problem, sir. Anytime. Doesn't take much just to be polite. Bye, ma'am. Woo! All right, that's not a really good place to stop, pal, but we don't know why you stopped there. Da-da-da-da-dum. Thank you. Happy days. Happy days. Dun 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 dun. That I never done anything like that, like pull any trailers out of air or something like that. But I just use common sense. How can I get this trailer from the back of this without moving the trailer in front? It's just common sense. Most of the stuff is common sense. All right, enough nonsense. Let's get back to work. All right, I'm gonna go and drop this trailer. I won't be able to record there, but as soon as I drop it off, make the way back and clean this and get it ready for Monday. So we got an early start on Monday. So all I gotta do now is get this, show it to the guy, show him the trailer's here and everything's nice and sound. I take a couple of pictures just in case, because you never know what could happen while you're not under the trailer and you just dropped it off. And they make me way back. Drop this. Oh wow. Let's go inside this and get out of here. All right, we're in the ramp now. Just give it a good clean now. I won't use the pressure washer today. I'm just gonna use the normal one, because the pressure washer costs me money, so I don't want to be spending any money at the minute. So I use this one. No pressure or anything, but hey, does the work, does the job. All right, let's just get on with it. All done. Need to get out of here to let somebody else in. And after that, put a little bit of something on the wheels. So we get out of here. Let me leave this here while I reverse out. All right. Yeah. Should come off there, you see. Short top man, that thing every time. Woo. Let everybody else do their thing now. Okay, gonna need this. So I'm gonna show you now why I use this for and why is the difference after it's done. So look how the tire is. Even though I cleaned it, that's not coming off easy. So there is many products that you can use to be doing this, but I use this one because, to be honest, it's the first one that I found in the truck shop. I just put it a little bit, oh, just gone from my fingers. I just put a little bit in this, and then now I do this. And this is the final result. Ta-da! Looks much better, doesn't look as dirty. Gotta go around there a bit again, but I need to buffer some of them, but oh, that should do. See you in a bit. Can you help me out? Sit down. You want me to sit on top of that? Look at this beauty.
Millie.
Hello.
Millie moo. Hi.
All right. All right, anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for the support all the time, like I always say. I'm gonna leave there. It's Friday. We're just gonna go and have a good time now. I got my personal driver. I got the dog at the back. What an exciting day. I'm just trying to figure out if I got everything.
Have you?
I don't know. Yeah, I think so.